In today's energy markets, I want to focus on natural gas today, really the largest mover within the space, and we're seeing it down. Once again, we've seen this pattern reoccurring coming out of a weekend where the weather's been very moderate, and we're seeing natural gas down on the day once again on this Monday. And looking at the price structure, currently we're seeing natural gas actually below the 2.20 level, currently right around the 2.191 level. So we're breaking through what would be considered a pretty significant technical area as well as psychological area. And now we're seeing, again, natural gas at the lower end of the range, really, for the March contract, really in its entirety. And when you look at over the course of the last several months, we're definitely seeing natural gas down here at low levels below that 2.20 level. And I want to point out that the weather, I think, has a big factor in the pricing structure today. We had some very moderate weather over the weekend in the Midwest, the Northeast, and it's expected to continue. And I can tell you, when you look at the forecasting now, they are forecasting longer term weather trends a little bit more persistent, in the sense that they're going to maintain this mild expectation. At least that's what the forecasts are indicating right now. And with that milder than normal temperature zone, we are seeing, again, selling pressure in the natural gas complex. I want to point out that another thing that needs to be considered here as we move into the early part of 2020, I think you got to look at the supply situations. Now, last Friday, the EIA number, we did see a little bit larger draw than what was expected. But overall, we're still seeing substantial supply coming onto the market, not only here in the United States, but also overseas. And I think the market's adjusting for that. And that's why we continue to see this downward trajectory when you look at the natural gas complex. And also, I think when you look at the trend, it's very important to point out that we are now breaking down here, and we could really, pick up some further steam if we break and hold below this 2.20 level. It looks like the next support level will be down around that $2 level. So once again, we are pushing down here with a negative pattern, or basically a very bearish pattern heading into 2020.